You got colour. What is it? The Dewey? Hey, that's what we're talking about. Look at that. Look at that. Hey.
I reckon I've got a contender. This one here goes 51 centimetres.
51. Nice. Raymond, have you registered?
No.
You have registered, Raymond.
I'm a rogue.
You registered.
I have registered.
That's it. And what are we doing?
We're going fishing tomorrow.
That's it. So you're going for the little dogs, and Joshy
Going for the big dog.
going for the big dog.
Big dog.
That's it. So that's what we're doing in the morning, yeah? You registered? You have? You paid your $5. it's a bit more than $5. I got ripped off. There you go, mate. Hello. This is my support crew. This is Adriano and Marcus. This is another Aquaholiks time. We're doing something different today. We're going to go in a fishing comp. So I'm here today with Dino.
Morning.
Big horse.
Morning.
Yeah, mate, with a big Dewey. Hey, hey.
So,
Gonna sing the Dewey song today or what?
bloody-o.
Yeah. We got Jaden over there. He's just gonna have the drone up. So he's just doing that with Tiana and just me. So yeah. So we're just waiting. I don't know if you can see all those other boats out there. So this is the comp. We can't leave the last channel marker until 6:30. See if we can get the Aquaholiks name up there, eh? What do you reckon?
Yeah, we'll give it a crack.
Give it a crack, mate.
Yeah, mate, we'll have a good hard crack at it.
Mate, that looks beautiful actually. Yeah, at the moment it's pretty dark. It looks light. It's pretty good. Right next to channel marker. Hey.
Numbers today, by the looks of it.
Yeah, there's a few boats. A few more boats coming. Even Raymond's here. Look, there he is. He
Raymundo.
looks like he's getting a bit lost. I don't know what he's doing, but Raymond, what are you doing? What are you doing? You go in circles like a.
I'm seasick.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning, Raymond.
Back at you, buddy.
Where are we going?
Wait. We're gonna go get the big dog. Almost there, Josh.
Almost there.
1 minute to go. Boom, 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 boom. Is this a comp winner? Are you going to sing the song? Dewey song?
Oh, it's cold, mate, I think.
Well, here's hoping. So today, the conditions are marginally challenging.
Tad,
Holy shit.
tad average.
What are we doing out here? Are you going to be the saving grace?
Oh, mate, I hope so. Yeah, it's going alright.
That's a Dewey, mate. That's a Dewey all day. If not, I'm hoping it is. How's that?
Sounds good to me.
All right, see what it is.
Nice black ass, mate. I reckon I've got a contender.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Look at that dog.
So this this one here goes 51 centimetres.
Yeah. 51. Nice. Joshy on. That's what we're talking about. Patience and perseverance always prevails. What reckon you got, Josh?
I need a break, thing.
Give us it.
I reckon it might be a Dewey. Well done, mate. I don't have to ask you, mate. Resourceful. Resourceful.
Yeah, I still remember.
Dewey, Dewey. Oh, boy. It's the way I go now. I got to sing that song, yeah? It's a Dewey, Dewey. You got colour. What is it? It's a Dewey. Hey, that's what we're talking about.
Dewey.
Well, I don't know if we'll win the prize, but it's a contender.
Oh, you got to be in it to win it. Oh, good job.
Look at that. Nice.
Good job, Joshy.
Nice, son.
Well done, Josh.
Thanks, mate.
Look at that.
Not bad size.
Oh, hey, hang on, what's going on here? Ah, that was the bottom. Oh, beautiful. Anyway, we're out here fighting the ocean. Far out, man. Joshy boy.
How you going?
What do you got, buddy? What do you got?
I think it might be a
Oh.
sand boy, maybe.
You reckon?
Big Jew would be nice.
What are you doing?
Oh, just getting the core here.
Hey, Joshy boy.
Hooked.
Good.
Hooked.
You got him?
Yep.
You got him. Woo! Double. Atta boys.
Yeah, got him, yeah.
Josh, what do you reckon, buddy? Come on, what do you reckon? Come on. Come on.
I don't know.
Oh, you always say that.
I don't know. It's just.
You always say that.
I love it to be a big Jewy, but I don't think it is.
You don't think so? You just got to like think Dewey, and then it is. It took off pretty hard.
Just feels fair hook.
Now,
Yeah.
so you got a big chook.
Yeah, probably, mate.
There it comes. Squeeze, that's what we wanted. Josh, look at that. Look at that. Nice. Nice.
Nice one, Gary.
What do you get?
Double header of shit, mate. That's what I got. Someone's got to keep them away.
I'm getting a bite. Yeah. Oh well.
Nice one, mate.
That's what we needed for the comp too.
It is.
Just exactly what we needed for the comp. And straight to the JVC. Bigger?
Bigger Jewy.
Bigger Jew, you reckon?
Yeah.
Good. Good.
That's what this is, horse.
Horse?
We're just talking about horses.
Yeah,
Yeah.
horse.
Hey, big horse?
Yeah, horse.
Beautiful. We'll take your time then, mate. We've got all day, not really. We've only got another hour. Then we're going to get going again. Looks like a Jewy or a Sambo. Huh? Not a Sambo? You don't think so?
No, no Sambo, mate.
I don't know, it looks like a Sambo to me. Yeah. Well, I'm coming up because Dwayne's got a fish on. What I'm going to get Josh to do is grab that. Right now, get this on the road. Good off and solid the hook. Bye. Well, good morning, guys. The next day after the comp, we did take some footage, but I don't know what happened, but it didn't come out. But anyway, so this is the next day. I got Dwayno here. G'day, mate. How you doing?
40.
And we got some good news. We did all right. We did all right. We got a first and a second. There it is. There you go, in the Southern Ocean Spectacular. So, yeah, we thought we weren't going to do that good, but it just pans out that everyone else didn't do that good either. So it was just one of those days. It was just a rough day. So, and the fish weren't biting. But anyway, so we got a first and a second in the comp, which is awesome. And so we're here this morning to, well, we've already cleaned the boat, so that's lucky we did that yesterday. And then this is the prize-winning fish. There we go. Hey, look at that. Jewy, queen, and the breaksea cod. So yeah, so that's what we got last night. So what do you reckon? Do you reckon we'll do it again or what?
Yeah, mate, I reckon we might back it up, hopefully, in the squidding comp. Coming up in June.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, might have a crack at that one, I reckon.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Well, so we'll give that a crack. So it's our first win, first time in. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That's what sort of did a wrap up because I didn't do it yesterday because you know, with the comp and all that stuff. So we didn't even get a chance to clean the fish. So that's why we're going to do that this morning and then give it away to everybody. Obviously, Dwayne will take his share and Josh will take his. But we will see you next week. All right, guys, take care. Until then, stay safe. Happy fishing. It's a nice greenie anyway. That's what you call a nice basket of fish. Look at that.
Nanny there.
Hey?
Yeah.
Look at this, a one line, boys. What do we got? What do we got? It is, two Nitos. Hey.
Ah, he bit me.
Another spurred old. Apparently they're good eating. They're good eating, you said.
Apparently.